Accredited to ISO 17025, the Eurofins Environment Testing Sydney laboratory services the environmental market for the entire New South Wales, Australia. This is the largest market in the Pacific region. Until very recently, the operating model for the laboratory was to service local fast turnaround time requirements from the local market and leverage our intra-co network in Australia for the standard turnaround time work. Due to a recent shift in strategy to capture more of the local market share, the Sydney laboratory was tasked with positioning itself to service standard turnaround time requirements as well. This would require significant capital investment to ensure instrument capacities were in place to service the additional workloads. This would also need to take place in the current laboratory footprint due to space constraints and the very high real estate prices in Sydney. The operations manager was tasked with this challenge and acted as project manager. In order to successfully execute such an ambitious project, the status quo needed to be challenged, and the traditional way of thinking did not apply. A modular system was designed that would optimise both vertical and horizontal space utilisation relating to instrument setup. After the successful implementation and experimentation of preliminary prototype modular systems and instrument stacking, the laboratory received endorsement to further pursue these initiatives at a larger scale. The project allowed for a complete modular design across the entire laboratory with no fixed benches. This allowed the laboratory to be very flexible and agile in both servicing our clients' requirements as well as adapting to potential future operational changes. The modular systems implemented in our semi-volatile and volatile organic groups were custom designed to optimise space utilisation relating to the various instruments across this fleet. The design allows for computers and keyboards to be neatly tucked away when not in use and allows easy access for the daily running of the instruments and access engineers alike. These are the first versions of the modules, and second versions are already getting trialled that will allow hydraulic systems to easily lift and lower instruments from height. This will allow the potential for even further instrument capacity if required. We will continue to challenge the status quo in order to provide innovative and efficient workspaces for our staff and market-leading services to our clients.